The boundaries of the Asian continent. The boundaries of the Asian continent. Eastern side, Pacific Ocean is located in the eastern side. Arctic Ocean is located in the northern side. Indian Ocean is located in the southern side. Ural Mountains are located in the western side. The Ural Mountains separate Europe and Asian continents. The Ural Mountains are the oldest mountains which distribute in Russia. Whereas in India, the oldest mountains are Aravalli Mountains. The Ural Mountains separate Europe and Asian continent. These are the major boundaries which are located around the Asian continent. Important rivers of Asian continent. One is Ob, Yensi, Lena. These three rivers rise. Ob, Yensi, Lena. These three rivers rise from the Altai uplands of Siberia. Move towards northern side. Outflow into the Arctic Ocean. Ob, Yensi, Lena. These three rivers rise from the Altai uplands of Siberia, move towards northern side, outflow into the Arctic Ocean. The Lena River is in frigid condition to 10 days of the Lena River is frigid condition to 10 days of the year. These are the northern plains. Eastern side of Asian continent, Hoyangho, and Yangtze. These two rivers rise from the Kunlun mountains of China. Hoyangho and Yangtze. These two rivers rise from the Kunlun mountains of China. Move towards eastern side. Move or flow towards eastern side. Outflow into the Pacific Ocean. In the southern side of the Asian continent, the Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra rivers. These three rivers, the Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra rivers, these three rivers rise Himalayan mountains, flow towards southern side, outflow into the Indian Ocean. When we discuss the continents, these three rivers outflow into the Indian Ocean. When we discuss the countries, these three rivers outflow into the seas. The Arabian Sea outflow into the Indus River. The Indus River outflows into the Arabian Sea. Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers outflow into the Bay of Bengal. The Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal are the part of the Indian Ocean. When we discuss continent, these three rivers outflow into the Indian Ocean. When we discuss the countries, these three rivers outflow into the seas. Indus River outflows into the Arabian Sea. Ganga, Brahmaputra rivers outflow into the Bay of Bengal. The Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, these two are the part of the Indian Ocean. and important mountains of the Asian continent. Important rivers, important mountains. At the center of the Asian continent, Pamir Plateau is there. Eastern side of the Pamir Plateau, two mountain ranges distribute. Eastern part of the Pamir Plateau, two mountain ranges distribute. One is Kunlun Shan Mountains. The second one is Himalayan Mountains. The Kunlun Shan Mountains distribute in China, and Himalayan Mountains distribute India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and so forth countries. Western side of the Pamir Plateau, two mountain ranges distribute. One is Suleiman Mountains, the second one is Hindu Kush Mountains. The Suleiman Mountains distribute in Pakistan, and Hindu Kush Mountains distribute in Afghanistan. At the center of the Asian continent, Pamir Plateau is there. Eastern side of the Pamir Plateau, two mountain ranges distribute. One is Kunlun Shan Mountain, the second one is Himalayan Mountains. Western side of the Pamir Plateau, two mountain ranges. One is Suleiman Mountains, second one is Hindu Kush Mountains. These are the mountains which distribute in Asian continent. Important plateaus of Asian continent. Important plateaus. One is Arabian Plateau, Indian Peninsular Plateau, Iraq Plateau, Iran Plateau, and so forth. All plateaus which distribute in Asian continent are developed with the igneous rocks or primary rocks. Mountains form with the sediment rocks. The mountains which distribute in Asian continent form with the sediment rocks. Plateaus which distribute in Asian continent form with the igneous rocks or primary rocks. Igneous rocks form due to the consolidation of the rock liquid. Again, igneous rocks form due to the consolidation of the rock liquid. Again, igneous rocks, two types. External igneous rocks, internal igneous rocks. The rocks which form on the surface of the earth are called external igneous rocks. Basalt, andesite, phonolite, and so forth. The rocks which form interior of the earth are called internal igneous rocks. Again, internal igneous rocks are classified into two types. One is plutonic rocks, the second one is hypobasal rocks. Plutonic rocks form it more interior of the earth. Example, granites, gabbro, sillimanite, and so forth. The rocks which form at shallow depth of the earth are called hypobasal rocks. Example, dolerite. It is a brief explanation about primary rocks or igneous rocks. About the rocks, we will discuss in types of rocks. Detailed information now we will discuss types of rocks. Mountains formed due to the sediment rocks. The sediment rocks form due to the disintegration of the igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and previous formed sediment rocks. The sediment rocks are classified into three major divisions. One is mechanical sediment rocks. Second one is organic sediment rocks. Third one is chemical sediment rocks. Mechanical sediment rocks, organic sediment rocks, chemical sediment rocks. The mechanical sediment rocks form with pebbles, and so forth. Sand, pebbles, and so forth. That material carried by the rivers. The organic sediment rocks form with the dead organic material and weathered vegetation or dead organic material and weathered vegetation material. Chemical sediment rocks form due to evaporation of the salt water. Particularly, we can see chemical sediment rocks in the coastal areas. Rock salt, best example. Rock salt. These are the important sediment rocks: mechanical sediment rocks, organic sediment rocks, chemical sediment rock. And last one, physiographic, physical features. Physical features are physiographic features of the Asian continent. Physical features are physiographic features of the Asian continent. From north to south, the physical features of the Asian continent, one is northern plains, the second one is the middle mountains, third one is southern plateaus. Northern plains, middle mountains, southern plateaus, lowlands or plains. Fourth one. Fifth one is islands. Physiographic features or physical features of the Asian continent from north to south. One is northern plains. The second one is middle mountains. Third one is southern plateaus. Fourth one is lowlands or plains. Fifth one is islands. First one is northern plains. Northern plains distribute at Siberia of Russia. Particularly, we can see where Ob-NC Lena rivers distribute. Middle mountains, Himalayan mountains, Kunlun mountains, Suleiman mountains, Hindu Kush mountains, and Zagros mountains. Zagros mountains are in Iran. It is a civil services preliminary previous UPSC, already UPSC asked this question. Southern plateaus. Southern plateaus are Saudi Arabia, Peninsular Plateau, Iran Plateau, Iraq Plateau, and so forth. Lowlands are plains. The Asian continent has 5 types. The Asian continent has 5 types of lowlands. One is northern lowlands. Northern lowlands or northern plains distribute where Ob-NC Lena rivers distribute. Eastern lowlands or plains distribute around the Hoyangho River and Yangtze-Kiang River. Eastern lowlands, northern lowlands, eastern lowlands, southern lowlands, western lowlands, southeastern of Asian lowlands. The northern lowlands, Ob-NC Lena rivers lowlands. The eastern lowlands are Hoyangho, Yangtze lowlands. Southern lowlands are Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra lowlands. Western lowlands are Tigris, Euphrates lowlands. Tigris-Euphrates lowlands distribute in Iraq. Tigris-Euphrates lowlands distribute in Iraq. Southeastern Asian lowlands distribute southern China, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia. Particularly where Irrawaddy River in Myanmar, Mekong River. The Mekong River is also called Southeast Asian Danube River. We can see five types of lowlands in the Asian continent. And last one is islands. Eastern side of the Asian continent, Kuril Islands, which are located in northern side of Japan. Kuril Islands, Japan Islands, Philippines Islands. These three are located in the eastern side of the Asian continent. And southeastern side of Asia, Indonesian Islands. Indonesian Islands. The Japan has consists of four major islands from north to south. One is Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, Kyushu. Hokkaido, Honshu, Shikoku, Kyushu. These are the major four islands which distribute in Japan. In Indonesia, the major islands are Sumatra, Java, Kalimantan or Borneo, Sulawesi, Bombay Roy, and so forth. These are the major islands which distribute in Indonesia. These are the islands of the Asian continent. The Asian continent has how many climatic zones? The Asian continent has how many climatic zones? The Asian continent has 9 climatic zones. One is equatorial climatic zone. The equatorial climatic zone distributes in Asian continent, particularly Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, Sri Lanka, and so forth. The second one is monsoon climatic zone. The monsoon climatic zone distributes in India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia. And tropical deserts climatic zone. The tropical deserts climatic zone distribute around Arabian desert and Thar desert area. Temperate grasslands climate zone. It lies at Siberia of Russia. Temperate deserts climate zone. It lies or it distributes Gobi desert region and Tibet desert region. Tibet desert is also called coldest desert. Coldest desert. Next. China climatic zone. The China climatic zone is located eastern part of the China in Asian continent. Mediterranean climatic zone. The Mediterranean climatic zone is located particularly western side of the Asian continent in Lebanon, Israel, Syria, Turkey regions. Taiga climatic zone. Taiga climatic zone distributes or it is located at Siberia of Russia. At Siberia of Russia and Kamchatka peninsular plate of Russia. Tundra climatic zone distribute. Northern part of Siberia of Russia. These are the important climatic zones which distribute in Asian continent. Important vegetation of the Asian continent. One is tropical evergreen forest vegetation. The second one is monsoon vegetation. Tropical evergreen forest vegetation, monsoon vegetation, China vegetation, Mediterranean vegetation, temperate grasslands vegetation, desert vegetation, taiga vegetation, tundra vegetation. Tropical evergreen forest vegetation distribute in the Asian continent, particularly Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore, and so forth regions. The monsoon vegetation distribute India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Southeast Asian countries. Mediterranean vegetation Lebanon, Israel, Syria, Turkey. Important trees in tropical evergreen forest: mahogany, ebony, rosewood, cinchona, jaipur. Important vegetation in monsoon: teak, bamboos, semul, sandalwood, and so forth. Important vegetation in Mediterranean region: olive, polymetal, and so forth. Important vegetation in China climatic region: chestnut, red gum, oak. Important vegetation in desert region: aloe vera, acacia, cactus, and so forth. Important vegetation in taiga region: fir, larch, spruce, coniferous, alpine. Important vegetation in taiga: lilies, poppies, and so forth. These are the brief class explanation about types of vegetation in the Asian continent. Climate of the Asian continent. The Asian continent has the continental climate. Continental climate is nothing but generally water always flow from uplands towards lowlands. Likewise, winds flow from the high pressure belts towards low pressure belt. We can see high pressure belt in the winter season, while we can see low pressure belt in the summer season. Due to high temperature in summer season, we can see low pressure belt. We can see high pressure belt we can see high pressure belt in the winter season due to the high pressure. High pressure belt form in the winter season, while low pressure belt form in the summer season. This is a continental climate. Important countries of the Asian continent. The Asian continent has 49 countries. One is Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan. Cyprus, East Timor, UAE, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan. Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan, Tajikistan. These 5 countries are Central Asian countries. Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Yemen. Lebanon, Israel, Syria, Turkey. Lebanon, Israel, Syria, Turkey. Lebanon, Israel, Syria, Turkey, Jordan. Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan. Afghanistan, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan. Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Vietnam, Cambodia. Russia, Mongolia, China. Russia, Mongolia, China, North Korea, South Korea. Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, Singapore. Brunei, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Maldives, Taiwan. These are the important countries which distribute in the Asian continent. This is a brief explanation about the physical features or physiographic features of the Asian continent. So far, two important topics. Today, two important topics have been completed. One is continental drift theory and physical features or physiographic features of the Asian continent. Thank you, students. Tomorrow to be continued.
అయిపోయిందా
Close this.